Get it, Ty. Get it, Oro. Get it, buddy. Bring. Come on, get it.
It's my book.
We didn't bark at anybody. We didn't growl. We don't want to growl. Just a happy walk. Very nice, happy walk.
Hey, Jay. Luke. Oro. Hi, baby. Hi.
You want a biscuit now? All he would do was mouth them, and then
Yeah, the other one seems more prone to wanting treats.
Yeah. You want this? No. No. Not yet. Okay. Right.
Hey, Luke. Lucas. Luke. Luke. What's that? What's that? Hey, Luke. Hey, Luke. See, when I'm out of my element, I'm a little more humble. Hey, Luke.